is on the move. He's just shaking and a moving and a grooving. Hey guys, we have a huge plan today. We're going to the Bluebird liquor store. It is the liquor store of dreams. It's where people win the lottery. Blake, are you excited?
Very excited.
Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna pick up my friend. Oh, look, look, look. It's a moment. He almost stood up. He almost did it. Almost did it without even holding on to anything. Killian. Killian. Can you stand up? Can you stand up for people? They want to see it. They want to see you making a move, baby. You can make a move. Come on. Come over here. Oh, everybody loves it. Shake it, shake it, shake it off. Shake it, shake it. Come on, doggy, shake it off. Come on, Killian. You want to come to mommy? Come here, Killian. Killian. Oh, Blake went out to, what is that place called, Blake? Shoop's, I think. Shoop's Sandwich Deli place. And he got us, like, breakfast. Because I've been editing all morning. And I have not taken a shower yet. And there's a little fruit cup, right?
Mm-hmm. Hey guys, what's going on? Killian is on the move. I have built a little barrier here. Kind of corral him, keep him contained in the play area of the house. He's having a good time, so daddy-son time. He's on the move. I want to make sure he has plenty of space to run around and play in and stretch himself out a little bit, and make sure he doesn't eat shoes. We don't want him eating shoes. No shoe eating, or wires for that matter. But I think it's good when the kids get to have plenty of room to move around and play, and the doggies are there, and he can kind of go exploring. Door stoppers, let's not break the door stopper. Everywhere else, Bubs. Oh, hey, Bubsy. Hey, Bubs. Playtime. There we go. He's 8 months, so he's constantly on the move. He's almost 9 months, so it's non-stop. Go, 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 go. What's that? That's a carpet. You know, everything is just interesting. The doggies. Oh, is that a string from the ground, Killian? We don't want that. Yucky. On the move. Okay, door stopper, no good. No, there's a door stopper. Say, hey everybody, Daddy won't let me play with the door stopper. What a mean guy he is. Whoops. Let's go. You want to go? Look at you standing up. He's so big. Hey, Bubs. You going for a little walk? Yeah. We're at the corral. What are we gonna do? The water bottle. The water bottle. Daddy's coffee. He's just learning how to walk. He hasn't been able to take steps, but he's able to kind of surf on things. He kind of has one hand on, or puts my hand out and I can help him walk. He likes that. But he tumbles over a little bit sometimes, so that's okay. Oh, very gently goes down to the ground when he wants to move, then he crawls. Very cool.
This is like a Danny's wrap. It has chicken, bacon. I added some herb mayo, avocado. Oh, it is amazing.
Oh, on the move.
payment. And it's a cell phone case, so we're opening it now. I'm gonna be bling blinging. Am I in that?
Yeah.
It says, what does it say? Spring case. How to set calling, flashing, general iPhone power on. Again, it will work. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Groupon. It was only $10. Oops.
Oh no!
So I think you just put it in. It's supposed to light up, so what we'll do is have Blake call me. What? It's supposed to be an iPhone 6 Plus. Oh, wrong size from Amazon.
Groupon. Did you?
I mean Groupon. We have to call them, right? Or how does it work? Return. Oh, return. Fail. So we're now we're on our way to the mall to meet Julie, and Killian's all dressed up with his little shorts and his little turtle shirt. He likes the camera. Say hi. And after we go to the mall, get the eyebrows cleaned up at Brow Shape Bar, then we're gonna go to the Bluebird liquor store to win our lottery.
Not the
So Blake got his watch fixed with the pretty blue. What do you think, Blake?
Yeah, I like the blue.
Yeah, I got my eyebrows done. What do you guys think? Good?
Killian, what do you think?
Yee. Mommy's gotta look pretty. We're waiting for Julie, and then we're gonna eat something possibly. Oh, Killian is a sleepy bunny. We just breastfed him inside the mall. Yeah, breastfeeding mommies. And then Julie's finishing up eating, and we're heading to the what do you call it? Bluebird liquor store for our lotto tickets. Money, money, money. This lucky retailer is what it's called. See, 2000.
Right, yeah, it says.
The most amount of lottery tickets have been won here. We are going in to win.
Woo! Film everybody, Blake.
So excited! We're gonna buy ponies!
All right, guys. Bluebird liquor store. We got Super Lotto, Super Powerball. Julie's got some lottery.
Super Lotto and well, Blake has Super Lotto and Powerball, and I got a Super Lotto and the Mega Millions.
And here he comes. Here he comes.
Lucky ticket.
Woo! Here we got more tickets.
More tickets.
More tickets.
We're gonna get ponies.
We're gonna...
Ponies.
If Blake wins, he's gonna get a different kind of animal, right?
Yeah,
He gets a giraffe.
Here, take the ticket.
I think we won $2. $2.
Well, that's awesome. So we won $2 back.
Already.
Prize box, $2.
That's cool.
Is that how it
3
works?
hearts in the same row. Yeah. See, that pays for itself, and you won $1.
We won $2.
From a dollar scratcher, Lucky and Love. And these are today's Mega Millions. We got $1 for the Mega because it's 14. Woo-hoo.
So we won $3 altogether so far.
Yeah. Can't buy a pony yet, but it's okay. It's a start.
No pony for us.
We have to keep working.
Even though we didn't win the lottery as of yet, we still have some drawings to come. we are hopeful, and hopefully we win the lottery and we'll get a pony. If you liked what you saw, subscribe. Say bye-bye, Killian.